Property tables. Subcooled, saturated, superheated, how to find your region. Have you ever wondered how to determine the state of a substance using property tables? Understanding whether a substance is subcooled, saturated, or superheated is essential in thermodynamics. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to identify two known properties of your substance. Commonly, these are pressure and temperature, or pressure and specific volume. This information is your starting point. Next, check the saturation conditions. You can do this by using the saturated water tables. Look for the saturation temperature at your given pressure or the saturation pressure at your known temperature. These values will help you find the boundary between liquid and vapor phases. Now, let's determine which region your substance falls into. If the temperature is below the saturation temperature at the given pressure, or if the specific volume is less than the saturated liquid volume, you are in the subcooled region. For accurate data, refer to the compressed liquid property tables. On the other hand, if the temperature matches the saturation temperature at the given pressure, or if the specific volume lies between the saturated liquid and saturated vapor-specific volumes, your substance is in the saturated region. This means you have a mixture of liquid and vapor. You can use the saturated liquid and saturated vapor tables to find the properties you need. If necessary, apply quality calculations to determine the vapor fraction. Lastly, if the temperature is above the saturation temperature at the given pressure, or if the specific volume is greater than the saturated vapor volume, your substance is classified as superheated vapor. In this case, you should refer to the superheated vapor tables to find the relevant properties. To effectively find your region, start by looking up the saturation temperature that corresponds to your known pressure in the saturated tables. Compare your actual temperature to this saturation temperature. Alternatively, check your specific volume against the saturated liquid and vapor volumes at the given pressure. This comparison will clearly indicate whether you are dealing with subcooled liquid, a saturated mixture, or superheated vapor. Property tables are a handy tool in thermodynamics. They list important values like temperature, pressure, specific volume, internal energy, enthalpy, and entropy. Saturated tables provide properties at the phase change boundary, while superheated and compressed liquid tables offer data outside the saturation region. If you cannot find your exact value in the tables, interpolation between the table values can help you estimate the property you need. Understanding these steps allows you to accurately locate the thermodynamic state of a substance. This knowledge is essential for analyzing and designing thermodynamic systems such as engines, refrigerators, and power plants. By following this clear, step-by-step approach, you can confidently use property tables to identify subcooled, saturated, and superheated regions.